Hi, how are you guys? Welcome to Internet Marketing GPS or IM GPS. In this second lesson, we are going to talk about the account in Affiliate Marketing GPS and on Amazon or Amazon Associates program. So in this video, small video, we are going to talk about what's the equipment that Amazon give us in our account. It's give us a bunch of things that will give us a lot of information to how to deal with the account and the links that we get. So stay with us. Let's go.
Hi, how are you today? As we talked earlier, that we are going to talk now about the tools that the Amazon Associate program gives to you when you finish signing up your account. So this is the landing page of your account when you sign up. It's a training account, as we say in one of Amazon platform. That's a new platform on United States of Emirates. So we tried do it a training on associate program on that new platform of Amazon. So in this landing page, first you can see the tools. In this video, we are going to talk first about the tools that this account gives us to help us doing our business and taking the best benefit of it. First, here's that you can find a chart that talks about the earnings and the clicks, the number of the clicks on the links that you will get from any product you want. And these are the dates. And here's some of other informations about clicks. It's monthly summary. So it's summary for each month. It talks about the total items shipped after they buy and what's the earnings, and order items and the clicks and the conversion. And these are some products. It depends on what do you search on the platform, so it gives you some suggestions. And here you can find the keyword or the search bar. You can search for the product that you want from this bar, and then you click go, and will take you to the product that you want. Here it's about the quick links. From here you can get the links of each product that you want or any product that you want. Or you can browse for products on Amazon platform. We're gonna give you some advices about that in some other videos, to give you advices on how you decide what the product that you want to take the link and make an advertisement of it, and how you get it. All these steps that we are going to talk about them in details in other videos. So just stay tuned with us, and we will do our best to give you the most benefit information about this work. Here, these all tools that is included in the home. It's at the first landing page when you sign up. There's another tools that this account give us. Is about the links and the product links that you want to search about them. Promotion, if there is any promotion on account that you have searched about them before. And there are some tools like link shaker and something that you can take benefit of them, and we will go through them step by step. For the commission that you can take from each product, when you can go to help commission income schedule, it will take you to this page. This page is talking about the commission of each product. In Amazon, the problem, it's not like a problem, but it's like the commission of the product for you is not like other websites. So there's a lot of other websites that give you a higher commission, but in Amazon it's not that much. So that's, as you can see, the little problem. I don't I don't consider it as a problem, but someone does. So it's a little commission. It's like 9% for apparel, luggage, shoes, for box chairs and jewelry. It's 8%. For furniture, it's 5%. For grocery or home major and outdoor, it's a 4%. So it's like a little percent for profit. So it's still low, but as we could say, still money. So it's depend on the profit of each product, and so it's still low, but as we said, it's still money. So it's worth it to go, especially that you didn't put any budget for it, or you didn't pay any money for it. So it's good to start. And there's a great thing about Amazon. If anyone that he clicked on any link on a product that you did advertise of it, like if we want to make advertisement maybe for a book, and we take that link, or the link that is for us, especially for us, if anyone clicked that link and entered to Amazon platform, but he didn't like the book that you are doing advertising for it, and he doing a purchase for any other product, so you still will get the profit of it, even if he didn't buy this exact book. So that's a good thing for you that Amazon gives us, and this is bonus thing for you, and bonus thing for Amazon associate program that is good. Other websites doesn't gives that advantage, so it's great. And here in Amazon Emirates, there's a bonus thing also. It's an Amazon Prime free trial. If anyone sign up for this for Amazon Prime from this link, from your link, you will get money for that. And if he service a first purchase, you will get money from that. So it's also a great thing, bonus thing for you. I think it's as we said in the first video, that Amazon, it's a great platform for selling and for services even like this for Amazon associate program. There's a great team for support. There's a lot of teams that they are thinking to give you the most benefit of selling or reselling, as we can say, for products. So it's a great platform. That is the main idea of your account, the tools. As we said, that we are going to talk about each tool in a separated video. So we will give you the most benefit of that tool and the most information of it. There will be short videos for each tool in this platform and in your account, and we will teach you how to get your own link from each product that you want. And as we said, that will be a separated video for some advices that we recommended to do it because we find that is you can get the most benefit of this associate program. So don't forget, if you find this video is good for you, hit the like button, subscribe for the channel, and light up the ring button so you will be notified when we upload the next video. So guys, thank you for watching and stay tuned. See you in the next video.